Heyo, Saira, what's this? Why'd you take 4 whole days to reply to that email? Our guy must have thought we ghosted him.
Bruh. I've been buried in stuff, I swear. Was gonna reply. But thank God I've got you. You handle the tech. I'll just vibe in the background.
Alright, guys. Look, we just got this email from a brother. And man, I can feel his frustration through the words. He's clearly disappointed. Unfortunately, sometimes we don't get time to check emails on time. And yeah, this one got delayed. But we do try our best to respond quickly before someone ends up wasting money on something that could have been fixed for free. Because honestly, whether you're rich or broke, nobody likes throwing money without thinking 10 times, right? Anyway, I won't drag this out. Let's jump straight to the fix. Sorry. All right, so here's the thing. Some microphones work with Clownfish, some don't. That's totally normal. And yeah, I've seen so many users in the comments struggle with it too. So instead of wasting time checking every tiny setting, we'll go directly to the ultimate solution. Point number 1, check if your mic works on the system. Press the Windows key, type Control Panel, and open it. Then click Hardware and Sound. And under that, go to Sound. Now hit the Recording tab. This shows your microphone list. If your mic is working, you'll see it blinking or showing input when you talk. That blinking means it's live and your sound is being detected by the system. If there's no blink, then bro, your mic itself is the problem, not Clownfish. Because if your voice never reaches the PC, then how's Clownfish supposed to process it? That's basic logic. Point number 2, let's go straight to the method that works either way. So now we'll use a virtual cable. This helps regardless of whether your mic is unsupported or misconfigured. Think of it like this. Normally your mic sends your voice to the PC directly. Now we'll connect that mic into the VB cable, and then from VB cable into Clownfish. So even if your mic fails to directly reach Clownfish, VB cable will carry the signal. All right, so first we're gonna deal with VB cable. This is the tool that basically reroutes your mic audio so Clownfish can actually hear it. Go to vb-audio.com/cable, the official site. Hit that download button under VB cable driver. It's free, no shady pop-ups or spam. Once you extract and open the folder, right-click the installer. If you're on 64-bit, use the VB cable setup_x64.exe. Run it as administrator. That's important, or it won't install the virtual device. After installing, restart your PC. Not kidding, Clownfish won't detect VB cable until you do that. Once restarted, go to your sound settings, recording tab, and now you should see VB-audio cable listed. If you don't see it, either the install failed or you skipped the restart. And yeah, don't lie, we both know you skipped it. Anyway, right-click on your microphone and make sure it's set as default. That's super important. Then select and click on Properties. Under Listen tab, enable Listen to this device. And in the dropdown, choose Cable Input VB Audio Virtual Cable. This is where the actual routing happens. Click Apply, then hit OK. Now, when you talk, watch the monitor level blink. That's how you know it's working. What's happening now is your mic is capturing your voice, passing it into the VB cable, which then acts like a virtual input for any app, including Clownfish. Yeah, kind of genius once it works. Now, open Clownfish, right-click on the tray icon, go to Setup, System Integration, and from there, remove other microphone adapters and hit Install. Now back in Clownfish, go to Microphone Setup, choose VB cable as your default input again. That's it. Now, your voice should flow through the virtual cable, pass into Clownfish, and your effects should work perfectly. And if it still doesn't work, well, triple check everything or blame your mic. All right, let's test if it's actually working or not. So go ahead and right-click Clownfish again, and then click Hear Microphone.
Oh, so finally you finished the tutorial?
Bro, I was recording. You just jumped in.
Don't you dare cut this part out.
All right, guys. That wasn't a voice changer effect at all. So now right-click on Clownfish again and choose Set Voice Changer. From here, you can pick different voices, alien,
Ifs, whatever you like.
That's it for today. Hope
This helped.
Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here.